How to log out of Fiverr on Android or iOS. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to log out of Fiverr. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. In order to log out temporarily, you simply need to open Fiverr. Now tap on the more icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Then select the setting option. Here you will get multiple options. Tap on General. Scroll down and select Exit at bottom of the screen. Tap OK and this will log you out of Fiverr temporarily. You won't appear online or get messages until you reopen the app. But in order to fully log out, you simply need to open your phone settings, scroll to the bottom of the screen and then navigate to Apps. Select App Management and locate Fiverr on this App Management page. You can use search bar, type in Fiverr and open its app info section. Tap storage uses and tap clear cache and tap clear data and tap on delete. This will successfully log out your Fiverr permanently. So in order to log back in, you can open Fiverr and then tap start now, enter your phone number and allow all the permission and restore the data. With this, you will log back in again. So that's how you can successfully log out of Fiverr. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.